Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the understanding and visual representation of graphs using Python language. So for that, we will need to insert three libraries. The libraries we will need to import are NetworkX as NX, matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Third one is import numpy as np. So let's run this cell, and now we will have to create a graph. Here the graph is named as g, and the function is nx.graph. So let's run this cell, and here are nodes. So we need to add nodes to the graph. So the function to add node is add underscore node, and in bracket the number of nodes are written. So let's run all of them. So here you can see that the command g.nodes has printed the number of nodes in the form of sets. So now let's move on to the adding of edges to the graph. To add the edges to the graph, we will need to use the function called add edge, and in bracket we will give the coordinates of the graph, and g is the graph we are giving the edges coordinates to. So let's run all of them, and once again here you can see that g dot edges uh, have printed the coordinates of the edges. Like I have taken here 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 and 6 7 as the coordinates, and all of them are printed here in form of sets. Now let's run we have run this. Now we will draw the graph g, which will be drawn from uh, this coordinates. The coordinates will be the nodes. Okay, so let's run this, and as you can see that we have received a graph. So you have noticed that only blue nodes are there. The color of nodes are blue, and they are not labeled also, like they are blank. No number has been given here. So for that we will use command nx.draw in bracket g comma with underscore labels is equal to 1. So here 1 3. So let's run this, and you will see all of them will be labeled. As you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So as you have seen that the color of node is blue. This blue color is the default color of node. We can also change the color of node. So for that we will use command nx.draw uh, in bracket g comma with labels equal to 1. This will give the labeling to the nodes, and comma node underscore color. This function will give the color to the node. Here it's g means green. If I'll change it to y, it will be yellow. The node color of node will be yellow. If I change it to r, then the color of node will be red. Now let's run this cell, and as you can see that the color of node has been changed to green. Now uh, we will we want to add one more edge to this graph. So we can add one more edge after the formation of the graph. Here I'm using the coordinates 4 1 for my new graph. So for that we will use command g dot add underscore edge 4 1. This will add one more edge to the above graph. Let's run this, and let's draw graph g, which will we will get one new graph because of the new edge we have entered. We have received this new graph. Now uh, let's uh, let's create one more graph. The name of graph would be p. So we have given the name of graph as p. So p is equal to nx dot graph, and let's run it, and here are the edges we have given. So I've taken 4 3 3 5 2 4 and 5 2 edges. Let's run this, and nx dot draw p with label So this will draw the new graph B. Let's run it, and it has drawn us a new graph of 4 coordinates. So it has given us this shape. Now we wish to create a path graph, for which the function is path graph. The command is o equal to nx dot path underscore graph. In bracket, these are the number of nodes, so I will change it to 7, and let's run the cell, and nx dot draw o. So the graph o will be drawn with 7 nodes. Let's run it, and as you can see that a path graph with 7 nodes has been created. Now we wish to draw a circular graph. So for that we will name the graph as C equals to the name of the graph will be C, and the command would be C equal to nx dot circle underscore graph, and in this number of nodes are 8. Let's run this and let's draw the graph. So as you can see that a circular graph with 8 nodes have been created, and the last one is a complete graph. And for complete graph we have named this graph as W, and the command and the function is complete underscore graph, and the command would be W equal to nx dot complete underscore graph and the number of nodes. Let's run it. Here number of nodes are 10. Let's change it to 9. Let's run the cell and let's draw the graph. As you can see that here we have drawn the complete graph using Python. So this is how we can represent and visualize the graph using Python. So that's all for this video. Thank you.